Hello friends, I am your friend Takshil Yadav. Today we are going to discuss about the presidential order regarding Article 370 and 35A. The Article 370 of Indian Constitution had temporary provisions with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which gave special powers to the state, allowing it to have its own constitution. The provisions of only Article 1 and Article 370 applied to the state. If the centre wanted to extend in the state a central law on subjects included in the instrument of accession, defense, external affairs and communications, it needed consultation, while for extending laws on remaining subjects, concurrence of the state government was mandatory. The IOA, signed on October 26, 1947, by then the ruler Raja Hari Singh, had mentioned in Clause 5 that accession terms cannot be varied by any amendment of the Act or of Indian Independence Act unless such amendment is accepted by him or a supplementary instrument. Article 35A of the Indian Constitution, which stemmed out of Article 370, gave powers to the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly to define permanent residents of their state, their special rights and privileges. The Jammu and Kashmir Constitution, adopted on November 17, 1956, defines a permanent resident as a person who was a state subject as of May 14, 1954, or has been a resident in the state for 10 years on that date with a legally acquired property. Non-permanent residents cannot acquire immovable property, get government employment, scholarship, or any other aid provided by the state government. The unique article was inserted in the Constitution through a presidential order in 1954 instead of an amendment moved through Parliament. Article 35A does not appear in the main body of the Constitution and is listed in Appendix 1. The premise of this special article emanates from residency laws issued by then Maharaj Hari Singh to prevent migration of people from neighbouring Punjab during the British rule. Such restrictions on non-permanent residents to purchase lands are not unique to Jammu and Kashmir, as Himachal Pradesh and several northeastern states too have this provision. In 2002, the Jammu and Kashmir High Court had struck down the provision of women losing their permanent resident status if they married a non-permanent resident. Now, what happened actually? The central government has revoked two key constitutional provisions, Article 370 and Article 35A, that gave Jammu and Kashmir a special semi-autonomous status. It has also proposed that the state be bifurcated into two union territories, J&K and Ladakh. The J&K reorganization bill moved into Parliament on Monday says the union territory in Ladakh will have no legislature like Chandigarh, while J&K, the other union territory, will have a legislature like Delhi and Puducherry. What will change? Article 370 gave Kashmir its own constitution and restricted the central powers. Thank you friends for watching this video.